Hello everyone, Bridget here. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a chicken curry in green masala or a green masala chicken curry. Green masala meaning that we are going to use fresh ingredients. So I have like 1 cup of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of grated coconut, 2 pieces of cinnamon, about 4 cloves and 2 green chillies. So we are going to grind all this together. Then we also need like 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder and half a teaspoon of cumin powder, and then 2 onions that are chopped fine, 2 potatoes that I have peeled and washed and soaked in water, and I'm going to use half kilo of chicken curry cut on the bone. So just keep watching. I'll grind the green masala and then I'll show you how to start cooking. So green masala paste is ready. You need not grind it too fine. It could be a little rough, and so that you know the flavors come out more. So let's start cooking. So I've heated 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan, and now I'm going to add in our chopped onions. So we need to fry our onions well. This may take around 3 to 4 minutes. So we'll just wait till our onions fry well. So as you're frying your onions, just do keep turning them around so that they brown evenly. So you can see that our onions are browning well. It's time to add in our ginger garlic paste. Now we fry this well. So to this we are going to add like half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of, because this is like 1 tablespoon quantity, so I'm just using half, so 1 teaspoon of coriander and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay, so you fry this well for a few minutes. So you fry this well for a few minutes, and then once you feel that the raw smell reduces a little bit, we'll add in a green masala paste. Now we need to fry this also quite well. And now we add in some salt to taste. I am adding like around maybe 1 teaspoon of salt. Just fry for a little while. Once you see that the oil is leaving the mixture, we can add in a chicken. And we just mix it well. So that the mixture coats all the pieces, and we'll allow this to fry for just a little while till the pieces become firm. It may take a little while for the chicken to start giving out some water. So now again, I want to make it clear that this is the recipe that my mother used to make. It's something like a kurma, but we always called it the green masala curry in our homes. And our ayah used to call it a pacha masala curry. Pacha means green in Tamil. So she used to call it the pacha masala curry. And this same dish could have other ingredients in other homes, but this is my very easy recipe for green masala chicken. So you could make this even with chicken legs or with just boneless chicken. Could serve it in, make it with very tiny pieces of breast also, and serve it as a starter. It also goes well with rice as a side dish or as a curry, and makes excellent accompaniment to chapatis or even dosas. So the choice is yours, and the way you make it, whether you want it in curry form or you want it in as a dry dish. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in some water. So I put like half a cup of water into this mixie jar just to clean up all the residue, and I'm going to add it into the chicken curry. And now we can also add in our potatoes. Suppose you'd like to cook it in a pressure cooker, you're welcome to do it. Just give 1 or 2 whistles, that's all. But otherwise, this sort of cooking is good because we allow it to simmer for a little while till the chicken is cooked. So we'll have to wait for some time. We are going to close it now and let it cook. So we're going to close it and let it cook on low heat for maybe around 8 minutes, and then we'll check whether our chicken is cooked. As you can see, the chicken has left out quite a bit of water, even though we added very little. So we'll just continue to cook till the chicken and the potatoes are ready. But you could see this beautiful green color. This is our green masala chicken curry. And as you can see, our green masala chicken is now ready. And as I said earlier, you could enjoy it with your rice or with chapatis. So I'm leaving it with a bit of gravy, so that's why I'm turning off the heat. But if you want it more dry, you could always, dry it up. Just remove the lid and cook on high and dry up the gravy. So this is your green masala chicken. And here you go, your green masala chicken curry is ready. If you like this video, please like and share it, as I always ask you to. and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. You could share this video with your friends and enjoy this recipe. Thank you and bye.